Danielle. I'm 23 and I know nothing about buying a house. Luckily, my boss Kip knows everything about buying a house. So I'm going to ask him some questions. Welcome to Kip's Crash Course for First-Time Homebuyers. Hey Kip, I just got pre-approved. Thanks for the advice. What should my next step be?
That's great news, Danielle. Next step is really kind of identifying your crucial needs versus your wants. An example could be, you've got a couple small children. Do you need 3 bedrooms on the one level, or is 2 suffice? As an example, because a lot of people don't have their kids in the basement when they're young. Do you need to be within walking distance of a bus route? Those are just a couple quick examples.
So what is a want?
A want, that could be something like, I want to put a heat pump in. I want to finish the basement. Those are types of things that you can do down the road. So, not critical, again, but those are kind of more like wish list items.
So why should I make this list? Shouldn't I just look at what's on the market?
We'll go right back to the pre-approval. You know your budget now, and really, if you focus on what you can get within that budget that meets your needs, you'll save a lot of time looking at homes that are out of your range.
Great, thanks Kip. I'll start working on my list.
All right, sounds like the plan.